obviously, you talk to your neighbors and friends and you hear about those horror stories. Can you tell me maybe some of the stories you've heard about other companies that have done those moves?
Funny you ask. We actually had a client in the last 10 days who called and was, she was hysterical is probably a pretty good term for it, because her moving company had showed up on move day. It was another local company, and as the move got started, the police showed up and arrested 2 of the movers from her crew. They had outstanding warrants and for not good things either, not like petty crime. So pretty serious charges were levied, and they were arrested during the course of the move. So
not what you want.
She's back to not having a moving company and their trucks in their front yard. Fortunately, we did have some flexibility. We were able to help save the day that afternoon, but I would say that a bad move would be when your movers get arrested for violent crimes before it gets started.
Probably not the best reflection. That's probably not a good one.
And that's why we do criminal background checks. We do drug and alcohol testing. It really is a big thing to make sure that the people that you have in your home are reputable.
So you have a screening process in place that makes sure that doesn't happen.
There is a screening process to make sure that same story doesn't occur, at least when we're in your driveway. Do a stringent criminal background check. Anyone who has anything theft-related, violent, or sexual in their past, they're automatically eliminated immediately.
So you keep, coming into someone's home is a very personal place.
It's very personal. They know where you live. They know what you have. They know what your prized possessions are, and they may know your alarm code. They know everything about you.
So you guys take steps to make sure that the people that are coming in there are good people,
Absolutely.
reputable, and they're not going to steal or damage your property.
Correct. Now, you have to be able to trust who's in your house, because they're handling everything that you own. So, they really can cause a very, very bad move.